Hello everybody, welcome to another Omegle video. Today we're going to be interviewing YouTubers like we always do. And here we go. Hello sir, how are you?
I'm very well, thank you. How are you?
I am great. How is your YouTube doing? Is it doing well?
Well, to be honest, it's a bit up and down. You know, you have periods where you do well and some periods where you don't, but you keep putting the content up and if it's good, then you'll get recognized.
Let me ask you this, sir. What is your YouTube channel all about?
Right, well, my YouTube channel is based around gaming.
Okay.
No, not gaming, comedy.
Whoa! Is it like a combination of both, or?
Yeah, pretty much. I literally do sketches, I do funny comedy, I do interviews, I do vlogs, I do everything to do comedy.
Very cool. What is the name of your channel?
It is Mr. Bonwoo.
How many subscribers do you have?
118.
118 or 180?
18.
Alright, dude. What our goal is, guys, is to try to get him to 200, at least 200, by the end of this week. So what you need to do to get these subscribers, you need to do something to make them come to your channel. Entertain us. Show us what your channel is all about.
So basically, my channel is all about comedy. And I love to do giveaways as well. I'm one of those people who love to do giveaways. I usually do giveaways on Steam, but I'm planning on to do bigger giveaways in the future. I do comedy, I try and make everyone laugh, and I don't mind making a little bit of a fool of myself just to get those subscribers.
Sounds like my kind of YouTuber, because y'all know I do that all the time. Awesome! Thank you so much for letting me interview you. I really do appreciate it, and hopefully more subscribers will be coming your way, sir.
Hopefully. Thank you very much.
Thank you for doing this with me. What's up, dude?
What's up, dude? What's up, dude?
How's it going?
It's not too bad.
Cool.
Hey.
Not much, man. Just on Omegle, looking at random stuff. People being dumb.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Cool, cool. Nice hat.
Stop, huh? Nice.
I feel like this conversation ain't gonna go anywhere.
Well, it's the best conversation I've had in there so far, so...
Wow, that's impressive.
Give yourself a look.
Hey, Dugan!
Oh, it's my boy. It's my boy.
How's it going, homie?
It's my boy right now. When I'm sitting at home, smoking on drugs, and about the home that I'ma go to tomorrow. Everybody knows that I'm living in the Star Road. God can't get everybody on the phone.
Oh, this is pretty good. I don't know what's going on, but that was great. What's up, dude? Yeah. Going pretty good. Yeah. Liking music, just sitting there chilling, don't know what to say, scared. Yeah. What else is new? What's up? There's a dog over there. What's up, dog? Hey, dog! What's up, dog? Hey!
Look.
Fetch!
Look.
Do something! Doggy. It's okay. I'm gonna name you Jimmy. Because you seem nice. Yet you don't move much. And Jimmys don't move much. Trust me, I know a couple. What's the dog's real name?
Carter.
Carter? Cool.
What was that, buddy?
I was scared for a second. I figured, like, ghosts were coming out of my computer or something. What was that? Train that dog to give me some kibbles and bits.
Leave me alone.
Dang it, Carter, how many times do I have to tell you? Give me some kibbles and bits! Oh, he's gonna lick you to death! Run!
What are you doing?
He's getting some kibbles and bits for me. Hey, Carter, come here! Come here, boy! I'm scared. Carter, let's have a conversation here. You and me need to find a good home. And I think where you're living is a great home. But you sure do whine a lot. Don't whine. It's not that bad. You and me, man. And the world. He's not listening to me, man.
He wants to go outside.
I know he wants to come to my house. Come on, Carter. Let me find, like, a tunnel or something I can go and get lost on and you can find me. You could be like Old Yeller, but that wasn't that movie. It's actually Lassie, but whatever. Come on, Carter. You and me, homie. You and me in the world. Good doggy. This is like Digit Pets, except like it's Omegle Pets. I love it. Roll over. Run around. Give me the dish. Run. Run away. Aw, look at it. It's like having my own digital pet. This is beautiful. I love it. Carter, do this. Carter, do this. Close, except it's not your tail, it's your leg. He just winked at me! Did you see that? He just winked at me! Bye, Carter. You're gonna end this Omegle video with a bark. Speak! Say bye! Speak! He's not... Fetch! Not the greatest dog in the world, but it's what we can do. Bye-bye, Carter. And bye-bye, everybody, for watching. Thank you for watching this video. I finally found a digital pet. This is great. Bye, Carter!